first set out to develop the Power Vision, we had one goal: to make the best Harley-Davidson flash device in the world. Building off our success with the Power Commander, the Power Vision quickly became the most popular flash device for thousands of shops and riders, wanting to get the absolute most out of their machines. Years of refinement and calibrations work have cemented our product as the industry standard, and with each passing year, we work to keep up with modern EFI tech. And today, we're proud to announce our biggest product launch yet. Now supporting Gen 2 Milwaukee 8 Fitments. Shipping June 2025. Contact your local dealer to learn more.